Okay guys, so in this tutorial we're going to use Google Calendar to create our classes and put in descriptions for them. My first suggestion is to create a calendar just for this purpose so that your personal calendar does not get bombarded, and you can just go to other calendars and click the plus to create a new one. Once you've created that, you can see here I've already created first period, and when I click on that, this is what students will see. We want to add in the Google Meet for each day, whether you have it using a code, and you'll put that code in there, or if you use Google Classroom, you'll put that direct link in. But this way, in the calendar, every single day, they have direct access to it, and they can all access all of their classes straight from their calendar. And then we'll also add where your class materials are located, whether it is Moodle or Google Classroom, or you made a Bitmoji class using Google Slides. You can put that link in here. Whatever you're using for your platform, you would put that here so they have direct access quickly through the calendar as well. So, to create my next class, I'll just click on the date I want to start it on, and I'm going to go to More Options. I'm going to title it. Then I want to take off all day and set the time, which is 10 to 11:30. I'm going to click Does Not Repeat because I do want it to repeat, so I don't have to put this in for every single day. And I'm going to go down to Custom. I want it to repeat every day of the week and repeat every week. And I'm going to have it end on a specific date. And based on our calendar, I might pick the 4th to allow for testing here. You could even back it up a little bit because our schedule might be altered, but whatever date you choose there, because you can always change some of those times later. Then I'll hit done. Do not click Add Google Meet video conferencing because we're not allowed to do that through the calendar. So instead I'm going to come down here, and I would like to tell my students Google Meet every day at whatever time, which is 10 for this class. And for this one, I'm going to tell them to go to meet.google.com, and I'm going to use a direct, I'm going to use a code, but I'm going to put in just the basic link for them so they can click it and go straight there. If you're using Google Classroom, you'll go into your classroom page and directly copy the link here in your banner, and that's what you'll put in your description here. We will also add the link of where they can access your class materials, so whether you're using Google Classroom or Moodle, or you've made a Bitmoji page with Google Slide, you're going to put that direct link in here. If you're using Google Classroom, use the main page link, and same with Moodle, and just pull that direct link so that they can just easily click on that to access those main pages. Then you'll add your guests over here based on the groups or contacts that you created for your classes. And you'll notice as soon as I added my group of students for this class, the calendar automatically created this meeting code. So what you want to make sure to do is just remove the conference, and then you can save. You're probably going to want to send them the invite for this initial class that you're starting up. So you'd hit send. And now here on my calendar, and this is what they would see too if they're in their month view, when they click on that class, here is my Google Meet link, and here is the link to access my class materials for this particular class. First period uses a code, so I can access that link and my materials.